So we just pulled up to the spot. We're getting some of that Monterey Car Week prep done, picking up some new tires. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this done. There she is. Got the new shoes. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Alright, let's see what this bad boy sounds like. Kevin's never heard it from the outside.
The daily. Not bad. Sounds weird, dude. It sounds so unnatural. It's like a pig.
Why is it so shaky? Oh, the turbo noise. Oh my gosh, it stinks. It smells so bad though.
Race car problems, dude.
Yeah, race car shit. Oh my god. That's what I'm saying. Look at it wiggle.
It doesn't rattle. There's no leak anymore.
I guess. Maybe it's because we didn't put back some of the stability parts.
That's okay though.
Yeah, no, it's fine. The R8's a little louder. Sorry, Kevin. He's got to build up fuel in the exhaust. Really? Yeah. Nothing. Sad times. Sad times. No flames tonight, boys. Do a couple more. Do a couple more.
Alright.
Yeah, buddy. All right, the time has finally come. We've got another step to our Monterey Car Week prep. We got 1 and we got 2. We're gonna do, I guess you'll just wait and see. We're gonna do the install real quick here because we've been waiting for this shit for a while. This stuff, it took a while to get here, so I'm pretty hyped for it. So yeah, let's get started. Also, excuse the car for looking like it has leprosy right now. It rained in the middle of summer in California, which doesn't happen. So yeah, I guess that's all right. First impressions. Let's see what he thinks. What do you think?
What the fuck is this, bro? Is this supposed to be Ford Scarpa?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh. Bro.
She's gonna look fire. All right, got the old shit off. Look how, damn. This shit's so dirty. Damn, that's it. All right, let's see. You can't cap, that looks kind of good.
It's not Ford Scarpa, but it's good.
No, it looks bad. It doesn't look bad at all. I like the fact that it's a little darker, but it's not completely black. Like that was what I was going for, is everybody does the carbon fiber, like mirror caps and everything like that, or gloss black, but I was like, let's do it a little different.
It looks like a custom video.
Yeah, it's not even bad. All right, there we go. She's got some little winglets now. Now she looks like every other M car on the road. And then part 2, something that I haven't seen done yet before, some G80 paddles on a 2 Series. I think it'll go nicely with like the blue accenting, with like that blue, and then I have some other blue on the car, like with the logo and stuff like that. So let's put these bad boys on. We already disconnected the battery, so nothing's on right now. So we're just gonna pop out the wheel and we're gonna try and get these shifters out to put the new ones in. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. All right, hang on, let's get the other one in. All right, we got these paddles in. We're going for a quick test run and they work hella good. Gosh, this fucking road is ass. We're in the middle of nowhere. $499 for the maps on MHD for my car. gosh. That would be fucking lit.
No brainer, bro. 470 horse, stage 2.
Literally. Up
Let's
to
do it.
475.
Let's do the burbles. Let's do some gunshots. Fuck your guns.